Like this video and subscribe today!
The dog